Hello teachers, parents and learners. Welcome to our channel Gleeful Grow, the joy of learning. So today we are going to learn about our family words. So let's start. Our words makes the sound R. R. So let's learn some R words. B. B. R. Bar. K. K. R. Car. F. F. R. Far. J. J. R. Jar. T. T. R. Tar. So, what we have learned today, we have learned about our family words. So, let's recall again. B. R. Bar. K. R. Car. F. R. Far. J. R. Jar. T. R. Tar. So now let's read and rhyme. Sam has a red car. Sam has a red car. I want chocolate. Bar. I want chocolate bar. There is tar on the road. There is tar on the road. The car is far. The car is far. The jar is empty. The jar is empty. The jam is in the jar. The jam is in the jar. Sam has a red car. I want chocolate bar. There is tar on the road. The car is far. The jar is empty. The jam is in the jar. That's it. We have learned our words today. If you like learning about our family, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our video.